Hello, we are back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Wondershare. In this video, we will go through a very powerful and simple PDF editor. That is Wondershare PDF Element. It is a great and easy to use tool to create, edit and share PDF file. It is very much comparable to Acrobat Reader or Adobe Reader. We will tell you about the amazing features of the tool by using some sample PDF files. First, let me tell you how to download and install the software. In the description section, you can find the link to download the software. So if you have already clicked on the link, you can see we have been redirected to the official website. So now here you can see it is available for both Windows and Mac OS. You can buy the product now or you can continue with trial version by clicking here. There are many other information and tips available in the website which you can go through to check the features of the tool. Once you download the setup file, you can install it. Installation process is too easy. With few clicks, you can complete the installation process. As you can see, we have installed it. Now let's try to open the application. Now we can see the interface is quite familiar with other editors. Let's open our sample PDF file and check some key features of the tool. First, let us edit this pre-existing PDF file and do some basic changes to it. Here we can change the background color. We can add the text and strike through the text as well. You can add or replace some pictures that you would like to use. Another cool feature. If you want to hide this part of the text, so we can simply mark it and click on the redact tab. See, now I can't even see this text. So now let's go to the next feature. We can convert scanned paper into editable PDFs and make changes as per our need. Here we can rotate, crop or enlarge any images. Along with that, we can do all basic changes as discussed in the previous feature. Let's go for another feature. This is batch process. Here we can process multiple PDF files at one go. Under batch process tab, we have several other tabs like encryption, which can encrypt all the selected PDF at once. Like that, we can watermark, optimize, convert multiple PDF at a time. Coming to the next feature, we have PDF conversion. We can convert our selected PDF into Word, PPT or Excel image. One additional feature this tool can do is it can convert our PDF into HTML code. So if anyone is having any website and want to put the PDF into the website, he or she can simply copy paste the HTML code. Next we have optimize and compress tab. Here we can set the range according to our need. That is, by what % you want to compress the PDF. If you will set it as high, it will be optimized to minimum size. With PDF element, we can create fillable PDF forms that allows user to enter text directly into your form without having access to PDF editor. We will navigate to form menu. It is actually very user friendly and you can create electronic files and document using this. Here we have several tabs such as text field, checkboxes, radio button, drop-down menus, list boxes and digital signature. Let's try to create a drop-down menu. We will create a box wherever you want this drop-down to be at. Then we can fill these options and add menus according to our need. I'm adding yes, no and maybe. Let's preview this and check how this drop-down works. Now we are getting all the drop-down menus we have provided. Likewise, we can use other tabs as well to create the form. We have got another tab here as help. Under this tab, we can get lots of user guide material, YouTube videos and support from Wondershare to better understand the tool. So if you are interested to buy the software, you can use the link in the description section through which you can get 60% discount. You can complete the purchase using different payment methods, which is quite easier and secure. So that's all in the video guys. Thanks to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more such videos.